Hello everyone, my name is Eleanor Josephine Donatustan. My ID number or NPM is 1946009 and I am from tourism major. It's time I will give a response from Kristalina TED Talk based on video titled How to Rebuild the Global Economy. Before start for my response, I will explain first what is new normal life. New normal life is a condition to recover economics, financial, social, and many more conditions which if have decreased within several months. New normal life is applied to raise financial and economic conditions during COVID-19 pandemic. As a citizen, we must following the health protocol. Follow the health protocol like use face masks, keep physical distancing within 1.2 meter, use hand sanitizer, and keep stay healthy. In new normal, employee, company, finance, and others repair this situation in second quarter. That's all for my opening explanation. And I will explain for my review. I am knowing about how to rebuild global economy during the pandemic of COVID-19 outbreak. During the beginning of coronavirus outbreak, some of retail shops and companies closed gradually by retail owners to avoid retail operational loss, especially in the finance and revenue aspect. All finance activities hit by COVID-19, many of them weak in their health conditions. Commodity prices, oil prices, currency exchange rates went down very dramatically. Most of people around the world have been out of work since COVID-19 pandemic without salary, switched their occupation, and many more. Could tourism sector was hit by COVID-19 pandemic? Yes, tourism is most main sector. It was hit by COVID-19 pandemic. From tourism sector, they have a bite at the cherry in digital era. Travel relaxation to China applied in the beginning of 2020 on Chinese New Year. Retail industries loses revenue. All hotels, resort also lost with amount 48 million US dollar in January until March 2020. China became a most largest tourist in 2019 in Indonesia. That is one of the lessons from previous crisis. Many industry, company, and employees must switch their occupation and entrepreneurship to against revenue losses because this pandemic. Thousands of staff in tourism field must did work from home or out of work. Airports, seaport, and the road as an entrance for tourists were closed before the pandemic. Who they are looking around vacation and go to outside city or overseas, we must beware. Before pandemic, ports must closely guarded with security guard to anticipate this virus. And now in the new normal life, tourism sector and financial sector is risen again. Retail companies, shopping malls, and tourist attractions will open gradually, but as a tourist attraction and shopping mall manager, they should apply health protocol for visitors. Foreign tourists cannot visit to tourist attraction to prevent spread of virus until the situation will be conducive. Welcome to the new normal life. If the new normal life runs, it's possible. The role of humans will be replaced with technology such as robots, virtual assistants, and gadgets to reduce physical contact human with human, especially in the restaurant. At school and work, people must bring cutlery themselves. Cutlery or other equipment could not be shared or used together with their friends. But in the new normal life, the shopping mall operational hours is still reduced. Example, from 12 p.m. until 8 p.m. And visitors must follow health regulation. For culinary businessmen, they should be patient and pray also, because this condition is still not conducive. For micro and medium businessmen, they should be patient. Nothing is instant. Every businessman must be did slowly from zero. They have concern about revenue and onset in this new normal life. So, how to avoid the economical crisis during new normal life? The first, modify it to prevent revenue loss with switching business fields. In this action, before new normal life has been applied with entrepreneurs and others. The second, working together and helping each other, like a social activity to help the society and citizens who are affected by the COVID-19. Then they with affected must work from home. The third and last, we could learn from other people, play and work. The conclusion is, if the new normal life applied, the economic situation will increase like a beginning before pandemic. But unfortunately, you must learn from zero again. You must doing from zero again. Clouds on the horizon. You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make him drink. The meaning is, you cannot force to consumers to buy, consume, and use goods or services during pandemic in the new normal life. Beware of second wave pandemic of COVID-19. We as a citizen must cooking homemade to stay healthy. Welcome to the new normal life. And that's all for second semester, my English project. I apologize for my mistake. Thank you and God bless all.